WordLab is one of the best language learning apps for kids who learn the meaning of words, whether they use AAC or not. Does your kid have a speech therapist? Show them this word game app. We already know they're gonna love it.
Hey little scientist, welcome to my super cool word lab. Help me build my amazing Talk-O-Matic machine by tapping on a block.
Penny and Snowball encourage kids to practice and repeat new words by giving them stars for each lesson they finish. It's all based on science. Video modeling is done by real kids in age-relevant scenarios. Pronunciation is taught by a pro, and practice is fun and interactive. If you want the best experience, use a goalie-dedicated device. It acts like a complete iPad replacement built for kids. There are no web browsers, YouTube, or anything else that's distracting. Just Goalie. Like the app, you manage everything on your kid's device from your phone. Goalie is super simple and super effective. Try it for a month and see for yourself. No contracts.